Alright, let's lift the tank lid up. So yeah, let's do this. $19.99. Wait, is it from 1999? Yep, it's from 1999, July 11. Here's what parts it has in the tank. Well, I already know what date. I already know what parts it has in this tank. So yeah. It has a red flapper, and it says a red flapper and a fill valve. And the Fluid Master fill valve. Alright, let's flush this toilet. Here we go. Wait, I'm coming out. Alright, let's lift the tank lid back on. So yeah, let's do this. Put the tank lid back on, so yeah, let's go. Alright, let's go. Let's pause the camera now, so yeah. Alright, let's pause the camera now, so yeah.
Slurring on my words. Slurring on my words. Slurring on my words.